Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COHO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by daily? Because I have been doing the 30-minute. This is the traditional perspective, meaning each one of these candles does indeed represent an entire day, whereas past times I've done 30 minutes where each of these is 30 minutes. But no, we're right now on the traditional sense in terms of each candle represents an entire day. And I wanted to do this because, obviously the bear showed up quite a bit. And, well, is the chart bullish or bearish now? Well, it's tricky because it depends. What do I mean by it depends? Well, it really depends on your strategy, meaning, if you were some sort of, day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought anywhere up around here, or maybe you bought right there, and you wanted to sell within, 2 hours of buying, well then, yeah, for you, the chart right now is looking pretty bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, I realize the price did pull back quite a bit. But from the big picture, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build and chip away at a higher base. And that higher base comes about based on a very kind of famous level in the world of charts. And that's the purple line right there, the 50-day simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, yeah, you ideally want to see the price stay above it. And in this situation, here's exactly why. I'm not saying this will happen, but let's say the price actually comes down to, right around that purple line, goes sideways, and then starts to work its way back upwards. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows here. You'd have these lows down here. You'd have these lows down here. And if you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, the overall stair steps from the big picture perspective would still very clearly be going in the upwards direction. Again, I'm well aware if you're a day trader flipper and you bought somewhere up around here, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. That's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be making comments from more so the big picture point of view. So sure, yeah, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day. Looking at multiple days, multiple weeks, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price does still have an opportunity to build that higher base. So certainly going forward, that 50-day simple moving average is a very important level of support. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.